Hello everyone, and welcome back to this Ogbonge YouTube channel at Lashadol Skin Care. Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick video before I start running home. Today we want to talk about turmeric. You know how to use turmeric to lighten up the skin. In case you do not know anything about turmeric, turmeric is actually a member of the root family. It contains a very active ingredient called the curcumin. So turmeric helps to revive the skin's natural complexion or natural color, thereby making your skin glow. How to use it? Number one is that turmeric could actually be used as a face mask in helping absorb the excess oil on the face. How do you go about this? The first thing you want to get is your Greek yogurt plus your honey plus your turmeric. Add everything together. After washing the face, then apply on the skin. You wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, then you wash off. In another video, I would share with us how I applied my turmeric mask on my face in helping me get rid of a particular facial issue. So we could also use turmeric in our soap. Yes, so you could put it in your body wash, mix it up in your body wash, not just any kind of soap. You don't want to add turmeric to a medicated soap. Say your black soap, yes, you could add turmeric powder into your black soap, so that if you want that glowing skin complexion, you could do that. Or your transparent soap, if you have a transparent soap, you could add turmeric powder to it. So you want to get your black soap, your turmeric powder, then your sulfur, mix together, use on the skin, wait for 5 minutes, then wash off. Turmeric can also be used as a scrub. So you could take your turmeric powder, put it in your scrub. How do you do this? Is that you get a brown sugar, white sugar, or your salt. Two different types of scrub that you want to use turmeric to make. The first is your face scrub. If you're making a face scrub, some people do not react well to salt, so you could use your sugar. So take your sugar, brown sugar, your white sugar, and then your turmeric powder, put it in. Then you want to use your chamomile oil to give it this mild texture on the face, or this mild feel on the face. So you add your chamomile oil, your lemon oil, and some really nice essential oils. Stir together, let it sit well for a while, then apply on the skin. You can just simply do it in your home. Then if you want to use for the body scrub, then you can use your salt scrub, since you're using it on the body. Even at that, some people still react to the body scrub. You want to use this scrub to get rid of the dead skin cells, making your skin look dull. But once you use this, because even turmeric on its own revives the skin, aside from say your brown sugar that is actually very good on our skin. So imagine these two combined together. Do you know how that skin would look like? It works like magic. Like when you wash this off of your skin, my dear, you wouldn't even recognize your skin again. You'd be like, am I the owner of this skin? No, I'm not sure. Because that is how magical this turmeric scrub can work. There are some creams that actually contain curcuminoid compounds. So if you get this type of creams, they are very good for glowing the skin. If you can get hold of this kind of cream, my dear, your skin will glow to the glory of God. I'm not kidding you. So these are some of the good benefits, or the way in which you can use turmeric in lightening up. Okay, so with all these processes that have been mentioned, if you want to use turmeric at home, say you want to do it DIY yourself, be sure to have your refrigerator beside or close to you, so that you could use them, you know, to make your products last longer. And for those that react or they're allergic to turmeric, there's one way to find out if you're allergic to turmeric. The first thing you need to do is add it to your meal as a spice. So if you eat that meal and then you find out that you start reacting to it, say maybe you start to have some rash on your skin, or what's it called, or some swelling on your skin, or you are not sure if you fall into that category, what you want to do is take your turmeric, maybe a mask, apply it on your skin or in your forearm. Just apply it directly to your skin, not on your face, yeah, and then wait for about 3 to 4 minutes to see how your body reacts to this. And if you do not notice any swelling or any inflammation on the skin or any sort of irritation on the skin, then you can then apply it on your face. It is very fantastic when used on the skin. I'm a living testimony. I can tell you that I use turmeric and it is fabulous. Okay, so in our next video I would actually be sharing with us how to make all this turmeric mask, turmeric soap, your turmeric scrub. You know, I would show us how it is done, DIY. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. So please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you will be alerted when there is a new upload coming from us. Until next time, where we will be sharing something new, fascinating and fantastic. Be good. And guys, you know that I love